This video will explain how to use the blended course syllabus template. This template is designed to help you structure your course effectively, blending online and in-person learning activities. Each unit in the template corresponds to 1 week of your course, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. Step 1. Fill out the course information. Start by filling out the basic course information at the beginning of the template. This includes the course title, description, and instructor details. This section sets the stage for what students can expect from the course, providing a clear and concise introduction. Step 2. Define the student learning outcomes. Outline what students are expected to achieve by the end of the course. List each outcome and the assignments that will assess these outcomes. Be clear, specific, and measurable on the learning outcomes and assessment methods. Step 3. Plan the online sessions. For each unit, you'll need to provide detailed content for both online and in-person sessions. For the online class, list the readings, recorded lectures, and other materials students need to engage with. Include activities like quizzes or discussion prompts to test their understanding and engagement. Step 4. Plan the in-person sessions. Focus on activities that foster higher-level thinking and interaction, such as group projects or hands-on experiments. Clearly define what will happen during these sessions, including any announcements, activities, and/or assessments. Refer to the list of course elements for ideas on available learning activities to include in both the online and in-person sessions. Step 5. Complete the remaining units. For each unit or week in your course, simply duplicate the unit tables and fill in the relevant information. Tailor each unit to progressively build on the previous one, ensuring a cohesive learning journey. Once all units are filled out, review your syllabus to ensure that it is clear and meets all the learning objectives. Remember, a well-structured syllabus acts as a roadmap for both you and your students, guiding you through the blended learning experience. To see what a completed blended course syllabus looks like, please refer to the sample blended course syllabus provided in this chapter.